I swear, if my boss sends me one more urgent email at 5:59 p.m., I'm quitting.
Haha. Mine sends just a small task at 6:30 p.m. Like, dude, I'm off the clock.
Yesterday, I was about to log off and boom, 15-slide PPT to edit.
These bosses think we're robots.
I need a vacation. Maldives, no phone, no Slack.
Let's go together and forget our laptops at home.
I'm in, but can we also forget to return?
Deal. Work can wait. Sanity can't.
Honestly, I'm starting to dream in Excel sheets now.
Oh God. Last night I shouted forward the deck in my sleep. My mom thought I was possessed.
Haha, this job is turning us into corporate zombies.
Yeah, zombies with coffee in one hand and deadlines in the other.
Let's seriously plan that trip. Mental health is real.
Done? But first, finish today's urgent task.
Ugh, reality hurts.
Hey, what's the plan for this weekend?
Not sure. I was honestly thinking of just sleeping all day.
Come on, you say that every weekend. Let's actually do something fun for once.
Like what? Please don't say hiking again.
No hiking this time. What about a beach day? It's been forever.
Ooh, I like that idea. We can grab some street food too, like those cheesy fries I love.
Yes, and maybe we can stay for the sunset. It'll be chill.
Romantic, huh? Who else is coming?
Just the two of us. Unless you want to invite someone.
Nah. Just us sounds kinda nice.
Perfect. Let's leave around 4 p.m. I'll pick you up.
Done. I'll pack snacks and maybe a blanket in case we sit on the sand.
Good thinking. I'll bring the speaker, beach, music, perfect vibe.
Wait. Are we doing a full movie scene or what?
Why not? You bring the drama, I'll bring the playlist.
Fair enough. Oh, and don't be late this time.
Pinky promise. I'll even bring your favorite iced coffee.
Okay, now I'm officially excited.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. What brings you in today?
I've had a sore throat, mild fever, and I feel really weak.
How long have you been feeling like this?
Since yesterday morning, it got worse overnight.
Any cough, headache, or body pain?
A bit of a cough. And yes, my back hurts too.
Slight fever. Let me check your throat. It looks red and inflamed, likely a throat infection.
Oh no, do I need antibiotics?
I'll give you a mild one in a syrup. Also, rest well and drink plenty of warm fluids.
All right. Can I go to work tomorrow?
Better to rest for a day or two. Your body needs it.
Got it. Thanks, doctor.
Take care, and call me if it gets worse.
I'm sorry. He always runs to friendly people.
It's okay. He's very cute. What's his name?
His name is Mocha, like the coffee.
Hi, Mocha. You're a good boy.
He likes you. I think he made a new friend.
I think so too. I was just drawing. It helps me relax.
Are you an artist?
Not really. I just like to draw trees and birds.
Wow, this is nice. The tree looks happy.
Thank you. I added a little bird, even though it's not really there.
That's cool. You have a nice imagination.
You're very kind. I'm Emma, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Noah.
Nice to meet you too, Noah.
Do you come here often?
Yes, when I want quiet time. What about you?
I bring Mocha here almost every evening. Maybe we'll see you again?
I'd like that.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Mocha.